Product type: watch band. Package quantity: 1. Made in Taiwan. Package dimensions: 5.5 L by 2.8 W by 1.1 H. Replace your band on Instinct watches with these stylish colors. Simply remove your current watch band and add a new band for a comfortable and enhanced fit. Bands, keepers and pins included. Individual colors sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. After 2.5 years, my Instinct band needed to be replaced. I considered going with a cheap knockoff, but after reading all the reviews I went with Garmin OG band. I purchased the black band that look very good with the gray watch face. It's very good quality and fits like a glove.